Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish up the last problem, and then we are going to be going ahead and getting just kind of some overview tips sort of deal. Okay, so as I'm doing this, I'm remembering that T goes with A goes with U, and C goes with G, so I'm going ahead and doing that. So G, C, G, A, G, G, and C, G, G, C, U, G. Then I go U, U, C, and I have U, G, A. Right? So, oops. I will go back and I'll fix that. Okay, so AUG is methionine, so I write MET. Right? GCG, so I have to go back to my codon chart. I go G, C, G is alanine, so ALA. So I write ALA, right? And then I have AGG, so AGG is arginine, right? So ARG. C, and G, it's proline. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use proline. CUG, so CUG, which is also leucine. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write that. I think that's the wrong one. LEU. My bad. Now I have UUC, so I'm going to have U in C is phenylalanine, so PHE. So PHE. And then I have UGA, so UGA, which is a stop codon. So I'm going to go ahead and, and I'm going to go ahead and write stop right there. And I'm going to go backtrack real quick because I think I messed up. I got to check. UAG. No, I didn't mess up. Okay, so just a couple of things to note, right? If you guys ever hit a situation like so, you guys will see that the stop codon happened early, which means that I'm not going ahead and I'm not putting in an answer right there, right? So this will be a no-go, right? Once I hit stop, I am done, okay? So on your test, you guys are going to see a couple of things like this. Then you guys will see that each of these guys, right, code for something, right? So they're going to ask you like, oh, like what color does this code for? And then it'll have a legend. It'll tell you what color it coded for. And if you messed up, right, you'll get the wrong color. For the first part, they're going to ask you to go ahead and to write a narrative. So you should be able to go ahead and to explain, right, what is happening from transcription to translation. So you guys should be able to tell me that it starts in the nucleus, right? We go from DNA to RNA using transcription, right? It's copied, right? The mRNA goes ahead and goes out into the cytoplasm. Once that mRNA goes out into the cytoplasm, the ribosome is going to go ahead and it's going to grab onto it. After the ribosome goes ahead and grabs onto it, it reads it, right? The tRNAs bring in the amino acids. The amino acid chain grows, right? As that amino acid chain grows, it'll keep on going until it hits a stop, right? Once it hits the stop codon, right, the amino acids let go, and the amino acids are the things that go ahead and then makes the proteins. And after that stops, it goes ahead and it folds into that protein. And then the proteins are important because it shows the different traits, right? So the proteins will go ahead and will show if it's a certain color, if it has a certain hair type, if it has a certain eye type, any trait that you guys see on the outside, it's because of those different protein expressions. So those are the couple of things that I want you guys to go ahead and to keep in mind. Thanks you guys for going ahead and listening, and then we will see you next time for the quiz.